Have you ever loaded a wet batch of clothes into your dryer, only to find them still damp after a full cycle? If your dryer is running but not producing heat, don't panic. In many cases, the problem can be fixed at home without spending money on a technician. In today's video, we'll go through 5 common reasons why a dryer stops heating and what you can do to fix the problem safely. Before starting any inspection or repair, always unplug the dryer or disconnect power for safety.
Number 1. Check the power supply. One of the most common reasons a dryer stops heating is a power issue. Electric dryers require 240 volts to heat properly. Sometimes the dryer drum will spin normally, but one side of the breaker may have tripped, preventing the heating element from working. Go to your electrical panel and check the dryer breaker. If it appears tripped, reset it completely and test the dryer again. If the dryer starts heating after resetting the breaker, you've found the problem. Number 2, clean the lint filter and vent. Restricted airflow is another major cause of heating problems. When lint builds up inside the filter or vent hose, hot air cannot circulate properly. Start by removing and cleaning the lint screen. Next, inspect the vent hose behind the dryer. Disconnect it carefully and remove any lint buildup. If possible, clean the entire vent line leading outside your home. A clogged vent not only reduces heating performance, but can also become a serious fire hazard. After cleaning, run a test cycle and see if the dryer heats normally. Number 3, inspect the thermal fuse. Most modern dryers have a thermal fuse designed to prevent overheating. If the dryer becomes too hot, the fuse blows and cuts power to the heating system. A blown thermal fuse is often caused by poor airflow from a clogged vent. Using a multimeter, check the thermal fuse for continuity. If there is no continuity, the fuse must be replaced. Remember, replacing the fuse without fixing the airflow problem may cause a new fuse to fail again. Number 4, test the heating element. The heating element is responsible for generating heat inside the dryer. Over time, the element can burn out, just like a light bulb filament. If your dryer runs but never produces warm air, the heating element may be defective. Using a multimeter, disconnect the heating element and test it for continuity. If the meter shows an open circuit, the heating element has failed and should be replaced. Fortunately, heating elements are widely available and often affordable. Number 5, check the thermostat and temperature sensors. Dryers use thermostats and temperature sensors to regulate heat. If one of these components fails, the dryer may not heat correctly or may shut the heat off too soon. A faulty thermostat can often be tested using a multimeter. If the thermostat shows no continuity when it should, replacement may be necessary. While this repair is slightly more advanced, it is still manageable for many DIY homeowners. If you've checked the power supply, cleaned the vent, tested the thermal fuse, inspected the heating element, and verified the thermostat, but the dryer still won't heat, the problem could involve the control board, wiring, or another internal component. In that situation, contacting a qualified appliance technician may be the safest option. Let's quickly review the 5 fixes. First, check the power supply and circuit breaker. Second, clean the lint filter and vent system. Third, inspect the thermal fuse. Fourth, test the heating element. And fifth, check the thermostat and temperature sensors. Many dryer heating problems can be solved with these simple steps, saving both time and money. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.